Hi everyone, today in this video, we'll see how you can download and install Wi-Fi adapter driver without a CD. You have to use a different PC which has internet, or you can also use your mobile to download the driver. Simply go to Google and search for Zebrunix. From the search results, go to the specific web page. Go to Support and click on Driver Downloads. Now in the search box, simply type 150. From the search results, you need to download this MediaTek driver. Simply click on Download. Once the download complete, simply copy this driver to your USB pen drive so that you can use it on your PC. Once you are in your PC, connect your pen drive and copy the software to your desktop. Extract the file after it is copied. Go to the Windows folder and you will see a setup file. Simply run the setup file as administrator. Accept the agreement and click on Next. Make sure this option is selected and click on Next. Finally, click on Install. Now wait for the installation process to finish. That's it. The driver will get successfully installed. Click on Finish. Now, you will get a similar dashboard in your desktop. Simply close this. Now go to your taskbar and connect your adapter to a Wi-Fi network. That's it. You'll get successfully connected to the internet now. So thanks for watching.